Hey ladies, it's your girl Chanel. I'm back with another tutorial. This time I'll be doing a quick weave. So stick around and you guys will see how I achieve this look. I hope you guys enjoy. And before I forget, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thanks ladies.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing my hair in a curly quick weave. So I've already had my hair molded. I put it in a ponytail because I did it real quick. And I got my stocking cap on and my hair is molded down and I sprayed my stocking cap. It got to be, it sticks on better when I do that. So stay tuned and you guys will see how I do it. All in, should I say. And this is by Duo Premium Multi Blend. And it's the one pack with 5 different pieces. Bahama Curls, 5 piece, 14, 16, 18, and 20. And it also comes with a free closure as well that I will be using. Okay guys, so I decided I was going to do a middle part. So how I start off, I put my closure on first, which I found to be easier. And I'm doing it quickly, so I got my cap and I just glued it down. And just make sure it's down.
Okay, so the first length I'm going to do is my 20 inch. Now that I have my 20 inch, I'll take the 20 inch and measure that from ear to ear. And then I'll cut the track and put some glue on it and stick it down. I'll also take the spritz and the blow dryer just to secure a better hold. So for this next step, I'm just going to be doing a lot of repeating. Just blow drying the hair down, making sure it's a secure hold. And I'll take the track, measure it, cut it, and glue it down for majority of these steps. Okay, so now I have my 20 in. I'm going to go to my next bundle, which is the 18. So I'm going to put this one in now. And I'm just going to basically do the same thing I did with my 20. And just okay, so I used the rest of my 18. Now I'm on to my 16. Now I'm doing these tracks shorter. So I can make sure that my bun is covered. Okay, ladies, so for this particular type of mold, I didn't braid my hair down like I usually do. I just wanted something quick, so I put it in a bun in the back of my head, which you guys seen. Now for this, look, I don't want my bun sticking out the back of my head or bulging out the back of my head looking like a lump or something. So I'm just gonna take a few tracks and cover them up just so my bun won't stick out and I won't be feeling at the back of my head all the time, checking my head. Start longer again. Okay, ladies, so once I'm sure that my bun is covered up, I'll be taking the tracks and I'll just be doing like I was originally doing and just measuring the tracks from the side of my head to the side and just measuring, cutting, and gluing. Okay, I don't know if you guys just understood that because I barely understood myself. So, excuse me. But what I'm saying is, I'll take the tracks, glue it from side to side, and just basically repeat the same steps over. Okay, ladies, so I've almost finished. I got all of this finished. So, I finished up with the 16. As you can see, it's starting to layer. I got the 20 at the bottom, then the 18 and the 16. And this is my last bundle, my 14. So I'm going to take that and finish. So for this step, since I'm almost done with the top of my head, well, my whole head actually, I'll just take the tracks and cut them 2 by 2 now, and that'll speed up the process as well. Okay, so now that I have my short pieces, I'm gonna take them and just kind of half glue. So this is my last track. So I took a long piece and I'll be pulling this from here. Okay, so since I've seen a little space out, I'm just gonna take a small track on each side and put it there to cover it so I won't have any spaces or gaps or anything. Okay, so now I have my last track in. I'm just gonna take the spritz, spray over my tracks to just make sure I have a tighter hold. And I'll take the blow dryer once I'm finished with it and just blow dry it down, and that'll just make sure it's secure. Okay, so now I'm done blow drying. You'll see this white area back here. I'm just gonna brush it off because it's nothing. It's just a little spritz that's dried up. Okay, ladies, so now that I'm done with this sledge, I'm just gonna take some mousse, take a razor comb, and I'm just gonna shave off some of the curls to give it definition and body, and I'm gonna also mousse it. Quick side note, ladies. This Organics Coconut Curls Mousse is the bomb. Like, bounce juice, everything. Gets me life. So juicy. Okay. So now I'm going to go in with my two-sided razor. This for Bic. That's her song. I'm just go ahead and get some layers. I like it. This is the final look, ladies. What do you think? My curls is popping, and I love it. No, I'm just kidding, y'all. But my curls is popping. I'm gonna fluff it out some more and just kind of play with it, see what kind of style I like. Now it's time for me to do my face.